Ultimate Fall Cleaning Checklist. While some areas can enjoy outdoor living spaces year-round, many areas cannot. As the season changes, pick a dry, sunny day to give outdoor furniture a good cleaning to prepare it for storage. It is particularly important to treat stains because allowing them to remain on upholstery or outdoor umbrella fabric for several months will make the task extremely difficult. Just as your garden goes dormant during winter months, so does your lawn and garden equipment. Now is the time to give each tool a good cleaning and make any needed repairs. Lawnmowers and any gas-powered equipment should be winterized properly so they will be in top shape when the first hint of spring arrives. If the ceiling fans in your home have been running all summer, it's time to turn them off and clean the fan. Then, look for a small switch to reverse the blades so that the heated air will be redirected in a downward flow to keep you warmer during chilly days. If you've taken it easy during the summer and only gotten rid of the most visible grime, it's time to do a deeper cleaning, including those places that you have been forgetting to clean, including your cleaning tools. As you move through the rooms in your home, follow a checklist to make sure everything gets the attention it needs. While you're cleaning the bedrooms, don't forget your closet and summer clothes. Empty each clothes closet and sort summer clothes before storing them away. Choose clothes that you want to store until next year to be laundered or dry cleaned. The rest should be sold, donated, or discarded. Autumn leaves are beautiful until they clog gutters and downspouts. In addition to looking messy, gutters filled with leaves and pine straw can cause moisture and mildew problems on soffits, resulting in rotting wood and roof leaks. If you have an outdoor pool, spa, or water features that are not heated, drain the water or use a cover. Take the time to winterize exposed pipes and faucets to avoid costly repairs. Many homes still have storm windows and doors that should be installed to help insulate and make homes more energy efficient during cold weather. As screens and window air conditioners are removed after the summer, give them a good cleaning and make any needed repairs. While you're winterizing windows is the perfect time to wash the glass. Start with the outside of the windows. Even if you need to rinse them off again after all of the gutter cleaning is done, you'll be glad you have them cleaned during the long winter days. Before the weather turns cold, take the time to walk around the outside of your home and make a note of areas that need to be winterized. If you don't know much about home repairs, hire a professional inspector to help you. A chimney should be cleaned and inspected yearly. A chimney sweep will help protect your home from accidental fires caused by creosote buildup. If you didn't give your interior fireplace surround a good cleaning at the end of last winter, do it now. Waiting another season will just add to the buildup of soot and make cleaning even more difficult. A change of seasons also signals a time to change batteries in smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. This is one chore that can mean the difference in life and death and thousands of dollars in repair costs. In addition to having an HVAC technician check your heating system, it is important to regularly change the filters in your heating and air conditioning system. Changing or cleaning filters will improve the air quality of your home and reduce the wear and tear on your furnace. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.